Today is a great weekend.
I love weekends.
Hello.
Hi. I need you at the office now. We have an urgent job.
Okay, I will go now. I must go to the office now. Before I come home, help me with the housework. Wash the clothes. Fold the dry clothes. Clean the floor and cook dinner.
Of course.
Yes, Mom.
You just come home and rest.
See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I want to sit and watch TV.
Yes!
Let us watch a fun show.
Dad, what about the housework Mom said?
It is okay, Bob. We watched TV for a short time first.
Dad, do we miss something? Drink soda and eat popcorn.
Okay.
I will get them. Where is the popcorn? Ah! Here it is! Oh no! I dropped the milk! I am so clumsy!
I have soda and popcorn now. I must clean the milk now.
Bob! Come quickly! The show starts now!
It is okay. I will clean it later. Watch TV first.
I must finish this work. This work is very hard today.
This show is very funny.
I laugh so much.
I feel so tired.
Help me sort these files. Do not worry. It will be fast.
Okay, I will do it. I must finish fast and go home.
Oh, the show is over. I cannot wait for next week.
Okay, it is time to clean the house.
Yeah, let us clean.
Oh no, Bob. Your shirt has soda on it.
Go change it now. If you wait, it will be hard to wash.
Okay, Dad. I will change now.
Bob, when you change, let us put it in the washing machine and start the wash.
Okay, Dad. I remember.
We must improve our business plan. Wenenima.
My head hurts. I feel very tired.
We need higher sales this month.
Yes! My shirt is clean now. Oh, my new game! I will show this to Dad. I put it here first. Oh! Dad, look at this. This is my new game.
Wow.
I buy it yesterday. It is the newest version.
Maybe we play for 30 minutes, then we clean the house.
Yes! Let us start.
This game needs a controller. I do not know where it is.
Oh, I do.
Where is it?
Okay, that is all for today. You can go home and rest.
Ah, here it is. We can clean this later. Okay, let us play the game.
Wow!
This game is so fun! Yes! I win!
Finally, I can go home. I need a taxi. Taxi! Please stop. Why is it so hard to find a taxi?
Oh no. This is so unlucky. I only want to rest.
Just one more time?
Yes, only one more game.
Take me to number 3, Street 5.
Look, Dad! I am catching up! Wow!
Wow.
Nice move! I can't believe it!
No one answers the phone. Maybe Dad and Bob are cleaning the house.
This game is so fun.
I am home.
Woohoo!
Oh my God. Why is the house so messy?
Mom is home! Mom is home!
We clean now. We only play a little.
Ugh, I need some water to calm down.
Oh no! This is too much!
Mom, I am sorry. I dropped the milk before.
The dirty clothes are still not washed. Whoa. That is enough. Why do you not remember my words? I feel very tired today. I only want to rest.
But I feel more sad now.
I feel very sad. I need to be alone.
Mom, I am sorry. Do not be angry.
I need some time to calm down.
We are very careless. We must help Mom.
Okay, let us clean the house now.
Wow.
Bob, let's put the clothes in the washing machine. Then fold the dry clothes.
Okay,
I will clean the living room and the kitchen.
let's go now.
I cleaned the kitchen.
I start the washing machine.
I sweep the popcorn.
I fold the dry clothes.
I clean the living room. Okay, let us cook a nice dinner.
Mama.
You wash the vegetables?
And I cook the food.
Honey, are you okay now? Bob and I make dinner.
Mom, come eat with us.
I feel better now. I am sorry I was angry.
We are sorry too. We break our promise.
Let us enjoy the weekend together.
This is the best dinner. Thank you, Bob and Honey.
We are happy when you smile.
Smile. This is a happy weekend. Did you learn today's lesson? Always keep your promises.
Breaking a promise makes people sad.
Thank you for watching my story today.
Please share your thoughts in the comments.
Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to support my channel. Bye-bye.